Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video by me. My name is Matlhodi Banda and I'm a consistently profitable forex trader. I've opened chart. I think I've confirmed this week that I'm only gonna place trades on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Every time I place a trade on Tuesday and a Wednesday, like Tuesdays and Wednesdays, that's when like my analysis or whatever like plays out. That's when like my favorite type of trades play out. I'm editing the vlog that will be out tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome to another day of this vlog. So today I am going to the car dealership to go fetch my car part that I ordered the last time and I paid for. In the previous vlog you guys saw me going to Nedbank and I showed you guys like the what is that? Okay, so right now I'm going to pick it up. My dad is gonna go with me and we're trying to see me and my niece if he can get us make these. So yeah.
Order number 18.
I'm back home and I'm getting ready to go to my grandmother's house. So Dawi is going there. So I'm catching a lift from her. Guys, that one I boss. Only employee. We're at my grandmother's house. I'm a hello video yak. It's all I'm on. Oh, Rebon, okay. Yes. Guys, my grandma's a hater. Guys, Tami ke mo rekwa bona. Ha re batlo mo bora. That's like me and Matsula need to keep quiet from here on. Can I please taste? Oh no, you're welcome. What again? Oh, wait, you don't want to taste it. Oh, okay. Let me just advertise on my YouTube. So guys, we're just tasting these. They call Footies feature drinks. Oh, that's dope. So these are sugar-free. And they have cola and grape. They have grape. This one is great. If you have a sweet tooth, this is great, as well as the grape. And no shade, no shade. But this is better than cream soda. Hey guys, it's currently 7:28 p.m. Well, I've been home for a while. Yeah, today I had such a wholesome day. I saw my grandmother. The last time you guys saw my grandma, she was sick in a hospital. She was at the hospital and I was trading and she was sick. We're visiting her. So like she's coming back slowly but surely, but like she's really old now. But yeah, had a really wholesome day. So today I've got so much work to do because I didn't do any work today. And I have a project that I have been procrastinating for so long that I need to do. And I've been procrastinating this project because like when I had time to do it, the people involved in this project were like, they couldn't give me the material that I needed. So I just put it aside and I was just doing my own things. And now that I need to focus on school and stuff like that. They've decided to send me the stuff, and then yo guys, it was a little bit of a problem. So it was just not a, it was just a like this project has brought more stress into my life than good things. So right now I'm just gonna do it so that tomorrow I can focus on my own things. I can focus on content creation, because I wanna shoot the video of like the whole business, like trading, paying tax as a forex trader from a business perspective, and from a business account perspective and a personal account perspective, like the pros and cons with both, and why I decided to do that. So by the time you guys watch this, the video will be up. So as soon as you guys are done watching this video, you can click onto that video too. So yeah guys, also don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah? Yeah. Got 7. So now I'm on my way to Haval. I hope it's open, because the last time I checked it says they open at 7 a.m. But now I don't know if I went to the incorrect website, but I also remember the guy at the service shop saying that they do open at 7 a.m. Alright guys, I'm done. I got the stuff. So this is the stuff. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll vlog them properly in a moment, but this is like a service area. There's like different what you call this, car brands, Suzuki, Haval, there's Tiger Wheel and Tire over there. I'm gonna come there. We were supposed to come there like last year to do my wheel alignment and to get brand new tires, but that didn't happen. But oh well. So okay, let me put on my seat. Cool. So basically these are the parts. This is called a relay, and my one is this one, the DA one, and then this is the one that I just got. Now it's off a different car. So my car, right, it's a GWM Florid, but it's the 20 man. I think it's 2010. I think it's 2010. But they have since made like new versions of the car. So there's like the, I think it's the 2017. So they have since made newer versions of the car. Okay, the old version of the same car and the new version of the same car. So now I need to go check if it works. I arrived home and I realized that the reason why I'm behind with certain modules is because I don't have the textbooks yet. So right now I'm going to Van Skeek. Yeah, I'm gonna act like I'm watching in. Yeah guys, this is like, you have to fill in this form, right, and read them. Like, they're really nice, and like, they're really nice. I'm not just saying this because they're around. I mean, they gave my grandma a chair to sit on. So yeah.
Optimize and do that. Or even better than that, this is working. This is edge right now. This is in play. How do I maximize this going into the next one? They're constantly reviewing their performance. And that's what it takes to be a 7, 8, 9 figure trader.
Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video by me. I'm gonna start doing daily vlogs, like, cause number one, I wanna get my views up. YouTube has been taking down my views, guys. I was on 1050 something views, and then the next thing I was on 1010 views, and then now it's like low. So I'm gonna start doing daily vlogs because I feel like they will keep me accountable. And I've been thinking about doing daily vlogs for a long time now, but then I thought I've already branded myself as a Forex Weekly vlog girly, but it kind of makes sense to be a Forex Weekly girly as like when I worked. Now not so much. So right now I'm gonna open chart. Usually, okay, today is sorry guys, sorry. Today is Thursday, the 20th of March. That's the time. I didn't oversleep. On Thursdays I generally wake up late because I don't trade on Thursdays, unless if like I am managing a trade, but I don't place trades because I notice like if I place trades on Thursdays, guys, I lose the trade, especially on Wednesday. But I place trades if my setup is playing out. So let me show you guys something. Yesterday, this was yesterday's position, and then market went up, hit take profit, like, and I was so worried about this trade because I took it from the 4-hour chart. My trading edge, okay, we'll talk about my trading edge in a moment, but what I noticed is that so we are going to be looking at no baby, no, don't lie. No baby, no, you gotta try. So we're looking at this candlestick right here, right? So now this is the okay, this is yesterday's candlestick, right? Now we're not looking at yesterday's candlestick, we're looking at the previous day's candlestick, the previous day of yesterday, which is the blue line, which is the blue area. Cool. So we've got the previous day's low, right? We've got the previous day's high, right? The lines, right? Cool. Previous day's low. Okay, maybe let me use my finger. We've got the previous day's low, we've got the previous day's high, and then we've got the lines over here that are the body, right? And then we go down to the the body of the candlestick, and then we go down to the 4-hour chart. I'm now gonna delete this, and now we were looking at this. Yeah, that, right? And then on the 4-hour I go down and I look at support and resistance on the 4-hour, or 4-hour demand and supply areas. Cool. And then I went to the daily chart. Ideally I go to the daily chart and I find order blocks and I take trades from those order blocks. Cool. Initially the first order block that I saw was this one, but this one is not really valid, right? This order block is not really valid because why is it like at the turn, right? It's not really valid. Now the order block that I felt like, now we didn't have an order block from yesterday, and this is the other order block, right? So these two were valid, right? Now, I mean, they were invalid, my bad. Now, the entries would have been here if I had entered based on the 1 hour analysis. That could be entry 1. This could be another ideal entry. And then having, I'm not sure, maybe we could do this as take profit 1 and do that as take profit 2. But basically, these were my entries. But then I realized, like, market is actually not drawing confirmations at these order blocks. Now, I had to sit back and think about, okay, what could be my next plan? Like, what is the next logical entry? And just make it make sense. Cool. Now, I realized this was when the market was here. The market was here. And I realized that the market is actually at this area. It's literally retesting for the second time. And if you know, and you guys should know that in Forex, we like confirmations, like second confirmation. If there's a second touch there, we know it's a good entry. If it's a third touch, we know it's a good entry. So over here, I was like, okay, I'm banking on this being a good entry based on the 4 hour 1 touch. And this is going to be a second touch. But now, like, let me look at you guys when I say this. I know that the logical thing to do when you trade is to wait for confirmation. But with my style of trading, right, guys, the mic wasn't plugged. If the sound is bad now, you know what. But with my style of trading and what I have backtested and what my psychology and personality allows is that, okay, this is how I understand the chart, right? It's like the market is going to do this at this area, or the market is most likely to do this at this area. So I'm going to do this at this area. And then whatever happens will be confirmation if I'm right or if I'm wrong. That's literally how I trade. So I don't wait for these confirmations to play out. Like, I am just not that person. Cool. So having said that, this was a very early entry. Very, very early entry. And then very early entry on the 4 hour. Yeah, let me do this, zoom out a bit. So this was a very early entry on the 4 hour. Cool. And then on the 1 hour chart, you know, on the whatever you see on the 4 hour chart as information, in order for you to break down that information, you have to go down to smaller time frames, and that's the importance of doing the drop down analysis. Cool. So now on the 1 hour chart, this is what I saw. Like, okay, market is drawing candlesticks that are rejecting this area right here. And another thing that I was noticing is that the market wasn't closing. All of these previous candlesticks were closing above this yellow area right here, and this yellow area is the 4 hour 4 hour support or 4 hour demand area. Cool. Or the 4 hours floor. Yeah. Or 4 hour low. Yeah. Cool. So now I was just waiting for, like, I wanted confirmation. Like, okay, is the market really gonna close below these? And then I went down to the 15-minute chart, because now it's like, okay, this is what these are the things that if the market starts doing, I know, okay, I'm safe. Cool. Now at this point I realized that, okay, market actually created a turn. Okay, I don't like the pen as much as I should. I like this. Now what I noticed is that the market was during this piece of price action where it's coming down and then failed to break but drew a wick, came down, right? And then failed to break but drew a wick, went down, respected this, and then respected this area right here, went up. Now at this point I wasn't even sure if drawing a channel is the best thing. But you know what, I'm gonna use all of the tools that I have as a naked trader or a price action trader, and just, you know, do the best that I can with what I have. Cool. And now from the 15-minute chart, that's when I started to watch this, and then market was doing this. I don't know, lie, when the market was here, guys, I got so excited. I got so excited, and I was like, okay, it's playing out, it's playing out. But then market comes down, and then when market came down, I'm like, okay, cloning this, and then we're gonna have this as the top of the channel. Cool. And then market came down, respected this area right there, the bottom of the channel, and then I was like, okay. So at this point, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do the naked forex questionnaire, because that questionnaire is gonna tell me whether or not I should, like, if I'm tripping or not. Cool. And then, like, one thing that I've backtested and that I've noticed, guys, is that if the market closes like above these areas right here, it's most likely to go up. But over here, that was not happening. It was closing below and below. It was literally creating lower lows. But at the same time, I'm like, you know what, I'm in. So it is what it is, man. I'm in, it is what it is. And then at 8 p.m, market just started shooting up. And at this point, like, I was studying. When that happened, I was studying. I wasn't really manning the market, like, and then I got a notification